Hello, beautiful people. This afternoon I'm going to take the Horwin that we've installed, the two huge batteries up in these boxes. I'm going to take it for a ride. I will let it charge a little bit. As you can see, I have a watt meter here. Here is the consumption. Right now is 700 watts. Maximum on this is, I think, 1300. It's on board the bike. This gets 220 volts. And I'm gonna take it for a ride to see the range. It's going to be my last ride before I send it back to its owner. As you can see, it did 8 kilometers in city traffic and it only took 2%. But I want to charge it fully and test the range. I'm going to be riding at 3,000 to 3,500 RPM. That's 50 to 60 kilometers an hour, according to the speedometer on this. I haven't really measured the GPS for accuracy of the speedometer, but I don't care, because the data that we have from the owner concerns the speedometer reading it had, so we have something to compare. And all the people that have reviewed the bike in this world only take this as a measurement. So I'm gonna take it for a ride and see what I have accomplished with the two batteries. I must say the total capacity is more than 10 kilowatt hours on this. The only bad thing is that the owner didn't send me the mirrors, so it's going to be a little bit hard for me to ride it without the rear view mirrors. But we'll see. Okay, now the bike has reached 100%. Still, the power consumption is at 443 watts, so it's not fully charged yet, but I'm going to take it for a ride now because I'm very bored to just sit around here and wait for it to charge. So I'm taking it for a ride. I'm gonna do videos every 10% of the battery level. I'm gonna do a next video at 90%, and we'll see how it goes. So here we begin. Okay, here is our first stop. We are at 90%. We've done 21.4 kilometers. Was riding more than 3,000 RPM when I got out of the city. 3 to 3,500 RPM. That's 50 to 60 kilometers an hour. That's how it's translated in speed. I'm gonna continue and see what I'm going to do. Okay, second stop. We're at 80%. We've done 44.6. We're in the middle of nowhere. I'll keep on going. We'll see how this goes. Okay, that stop, almost 70%, 68 kilometers. We're not in the middle of nowhere. We will continue. No signs of trouble so far. Okay, for this part I will enter the highway, so I might not be able to stop. So far I'm 88 kilometers and 63%. The bike is just fine, and I'm going to continue and return. Okay, finished up with the highway. I had to do like 70 kilometers an hour at least. Now we're at 43% and 126 kilometers. I will go down again to 3,500 RPM and continue my trip. It's a little bit cold now, but I will finish. I finished the ride for today. I'm not riding anymore. So the final result, with a little bit of highway at a little bit higher speeds, we had 38% and almost 140 kilometers. I think if you keep it at 3000 RPM, it can easily get to 200 kilometers of range without much trying. Of course, it wasn't fully charged, so it can do better than this. That's the last ride I do with this bike. I'm sending it back to its owner. Very well made bike. So it is rather tempting to upgrade the controller, but you never know. That's it.